young general I do it, isn't me? Give it after this a mansion around the place red man. See there? Little bathroom. But guess what? Alright, time to take off a dirty jacket. No, I'm just this jacket are the cleanest thing. Watch yourself, watch yourself. Where your crowd go? My God. That shirt is so clean. Ease off for that shirt, my boss. Why for the cry? Why for the cry? Why for the cry? Yes, that's if you clap for. Why for the cry? Anyway, let me change my clothes on my lad. I'm going to bathe myself, you know. Jesus, Jesus, love is a bubbling over. Yeah, yeah. Alright, Mr. Spring Chicken. Come, pull off this. Come, sit back. Sit back now. Sit down. Pull off this to me. Hold this, hold this, hold this. Pull off my jacket. Pull off it. Hold my jacket. Pull off it now. Yeah, pull it. Come, hold it. Hold the jacket. Who that woman there, man? Oh, she. Pull off my jacket, baby. Strip me.
Anyways.
One hand out. Strip me. Two hand out. Go strip me.
Okay, anyways. Just stop. What are you doing? Ew.
Yo. I'm a 2-pack. And a Shakir.
That's a 1-pack, literally.
2-pack, but on a Shakir. Mad. Alright, hats off because I have a 2-pack. Up and running. Sick. Believe it or not. See, I can't take off my shirt with the camera in my hand. Up.
You missed it. He literally stood for like 10 seconds.
The camera probably catching.
How? In the background?
Come, my boss. Fatty. Stand up, my boss. Stand up, man. You. Why you lick your mother stomach so? Want some, man? Alright. Yeah, my jacket can't dip on the bed. Come tell you, say the jacket are the cleanest thing to my heart. Anything is dirty. So yeah, I take off. Man. Every minute I get smooth one phone like this in my back.
Stop.
No, that's PG agent.
Parent guidance?
PG agent, nobody can see. Deaf? I don't know where I go on.
Parental guidance agent? Oh.
Madam Bad. Bathroom settings. You know that thing they set. I clean up myself, I know. Madam Bad. It's a small place, but we still give God thanks. Start off in a life. Young general I do it, isn't me? Give it after this a mansion around the place red man. See there? Little bathroom. But guess what? Thing clean. That me I tell you. Little hallway. Up and running. Give them a pray at the hallway. Give them a pray at the hallway. Hallway. I little kitchen this. Yeah man, the little kitchen this in the people. Is it? Oh shit. I'm gonna take out the oven meat. I forgot for lucky people them job. But guess what? As I'm saying now, one cocoa full basket. You know this is where I forward from. Yeah, that's where Jano bless up, but you don't know recycle some the boss ties and then a smart banana when you have, because we can't have smart banana. Thing is, mom went to the grocery store and the stuff could not fit into all those bags, so she got a box. No, no, that's something like that, but I tell her if she can a cockroach in her, problem. But up and running still. Yeah. The shepherd's pie. It'll go and cool down a little bit. And if you never get the name yet, get it now. See that? What that say? Turn back way, but up and running. GAMP. GAAMP. And what that say? Got a Adrian Morris provider since 1991. Do the maths. Lip them kind of ashy still, but when I watch it, I fall, place cold. I lit up after me done, me still look good. The little living room now. You don't know what I say, we just a start out with thing, you know. You see me? Nice little painting, I like that painting there, Madam Bad. But guess what now? Me I do this for show my place normally clean. But you don't know that's something go. So when I have a baby, it's go messy, so I have to work with them. So yeah. Don't know, mommy in a college right now within the year 2015 to be precise. You know, so I start a little vlog thing. So if you don't see this is 2015 October the 1st. And believe it or not, mommy say yo. And by mommy I mean me talking Alyssa Jamir's mom. My baby mother, aka my fiance, aka soon my wife. But look out for that part, you see. But yeah, I use my iPhone 5S for video this. I don't even have a camera, big man thing, so I'm a thing man. And we live in our Ontario, Canada. I don't have to tell you exactly where stay, but Ontario, Canada where they are brace and I go and do the maths, you see me? So as I say, when you have a baby, the place I go ever out of hand. So see it there, I'm there on the boss play mat now. I shouldn't even be on here. Alyssa got to kill me. But anyway, I have my set up my socks kind of sweaty because I work from morning from 9 o'clock and I come home 8 o'clock. There's some ridiculous shift my work. So yeah, get with it, life of a chef. Alyssa have to go sanitize the mat because daddy tired. Yeah, so it's kind of messy. But I see a playpen there over there, so said we. And him stroller, yeah, whatever. A little fun, see it there? I forget a little ghetto heater because the cheap landlord them see the place cool and they not turn on the heater. They say it's all inclusive, but they only include it when they feel like. You see me, but you don't know that thing they said when I sweat it. And this is basically my life. Let me see if I can zoom into it. I don't know what this boss are watching right now, but I'll be a bumbo cartoon man for watch. And why is this girl stalking me? Why are you stalking me?
Cause I hear you talking to nobody.
I not talk to nobody, I talk to my fans. My gamsters and gamstresses. Madam Bad. Right? Give me my dirty shirt, my boss. Don't touch that. You have to go sanitize the mat, please.
Why?
Step on with my sweaty
Oh,
socks.
you're gonna sanitize it, not me.
Remember, I'm tired. Didn't I start for me?
Hey, let's drink. I'm tired.
Look at that ass. Boom. Just that little snip or whatever you want to call it. I go back in our room because mommy come out now. There's a little one place where I be eating a dog. I'm tell you, you know the thing said. Realer than this I can't find. Just come to Canada. But they are Canada from 2012 but they are 2015, 3 years. And I recently I start drive a little Honda Civic 93. 2000 whatever. But yeah, either 99, yeah. Honda Civic 99, I don't know for me. I for mommy one. And she just give me for just go around because I get my license and thing. Because as I say, mommy is a Canadian me. Me a born, breaded, flour, rooted and grounded yard man. 2012 I come here. So do the maths. A bicycle me da ride with it and I walk in a snow foot a freeze off. But me still a do the thing, right? Up and running. So this is a little bedroom still. The boss bed there over there, so I have to go look at place. Cause you don't know that something they go when you have to get a little close up time with mommy. But you know, not worry about that. We're young and doing it and we're not too fret about that something. You see me? Cause I step with the things, stages. Since I do this for my free time, mommy say me and Jamie have a little thing going on. I must video it. I say, why? A lot of my co-workers them currently I say, yo, when I do some Snapchat, why you know do some vlog with the baby and where. I say, you know, say, I can kind of do that, but that thing they're not really for me still, but I try out it. See that face here, fairly new. Get a fresh cut, but I not bleed. But it look so fresh right now, because I'm going to comb up and do the match. See the look at design, yeah. I look like I want gutter in my head, but I me tell my barber, because boss did the thing wicked. I me tell him, say, yeah, when I make this brother, because the little and neat still, no, but yeah. It's when inside them, when the ear start kind of, you know, so fresh again, then you can't see the part. I'm like to see the part, you see me? And if I draw off my brush now, you see the thing when I say now. So man, this is the little room. Yeah. We are do the thing. So the boss crib over this so. Yeah. I don't know the thing set. So I go clock out the thing. Cause as I say, I work from 9:30, left 8 o'clock. So I need to go whole a fresh. All you know be it from morning run go all a fresh. Big up everybody in a TV land. You know the thing said. I not even make a name for that thing yet, but we are going to do the thing. If I no gump, I do nothing else. You see me? We do it. And we not stop. One cocoa full basket, so go and do the thing. Yo, I now look for make a career out of the thing, but if I get a career out of it, I'm more glad because the 9 to 5 thing, tough. But we grow rough. We born that way. Born come see mommy and daddy I work 7 days a week. So hard work, easy for you. Big up the teacher upon the line there, you see me? Show me where the money there, I that's me are there. It maker say that straight. Madam bad. I do the thing. Up and running, out me out. Me a clock out now. Me a talk too much. Me a clock out now. Me a go bed. Me a go eat some shepherd's pie. Me a go kick back with mommy or mommy and Jamir, the big boss. Me a go kick back with them right now. And yeah, I do some more video now next time. Cause the iPhone 5s this me I use. And I know the best part, battery life. We all know that if you have an iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, well you know say Samsung Galaxy have a better battery life, but when I get a couple pay, I buy myself a little one camera and do my thing. You see me? One t-shirt or the damn t-shirt. I don't have on a t-shirt, but yeah, be loving that slim body, you know. Buckler. Cut out the bad old part something, but yeah. I do the thing. Hold a beard, eat some shepherd's pie, watch a movie with mommy and the boss, and call it a night. Work tomorrow, 9 to 9 a.m. and p.m. me I talk about. Saturday again, 7 to 7. Sunday, 8 to 7. Monday, me get like a rest up. So, figured me have to say, yo, bless up. Me I clock out. See everybody, big up on yourself. Up and running. See me? Up, up, up.
You have to work